Hi, class. Pleased to meet you all virtually. My name is Diane Richards, and the three assets that I bring to this class in terms of generalist social work practice are one, that I have a background in education. I was a K through 12 art teacher, and I also did a lot of art outreach work using art as a therapeutic tool. So I've worked with children in a number of capacities for a long time. I actually currently work peripherally with kids as a development coordinator for the Waldorf school in my community, Susquehanna Waldorf. So a lot of experience working in early childhood education and education in general. My second asset is that I am trained in a number of somatic modalities. I'm a trauma-informed yoga and mindfulness teacher, and really love incorporating those tools and practices into my own life as a way to manage my own stress, as well as I'm looking forward to being able to use those tools in a therapeutic setting, in a social work setting. So if anyone needs some support, taking a few deep breaths right now, I've got you. And my third asset, I think, would just be that I'm really comfortable modeling vulnerability. I think that I've survived a number of traumas in early childhood and in young adulthood, and I've done a lot of work to really work through and resolve those experiences. Not that it's ever really done the work, but I am learning how to incorporate sharing vulnerability, modeling that kind of um, what's the word? Not transparency with clients, but just a willingness to sort of really be present to what clients are experiencing in a way that is honest and appropriate. So those are my three assets, and I look forward to hearing all about yours.